Good morning, guys. Today is the 18th of October 2017. It is a Wednesday morning. We are somewhat close to the all-time highs. There's a little box that represents 10 points. If we go in there, I'm going to stop trading, but I'm thinking we might have a short opportunity to grab 3 nuggets, even though the pressure is a little to the upside. But see what happens here. Looking for shorts. Okay, game on. I am in a short. Be a great place to get in or to add on. Since we're near this volatile area, I'm not thinking about adding on. If we were down further, I might consider, but not right here. It's too volatile here and too many unpredictable movements here, so just going to play it safe, but be a great place to get in if you weren't in already. Okay, we're accumulating pressure here on the 610. If you notice the separation, okay, that's power down. Just needed to kick in. See the separation? Great place to enter the trade right here. Bam. Right here, the 233 is giving us separation. That means he's becoming weak to the downside. There's a potential pullback coming up. Okay, but looking at the speed, the velocity is still the same. Right here, we've got the 987 with separation on the top. Power to the downside. Okay, as soon as he kicks in, we should have another thrust to the downside. There's more than one pressure involved here. I'm just referring to our pressure of separation. There's more pressures at play here, but I'm focusing on the pressure of separation here and just pointing them out to you. Pressure is once again exponentially increasing as we're moving forward in time. The power to the downside is increasing as time goes on. Pressure really increased to the downside as it pushed up here. Probably 75% more than this push up here. So the pressure to the downside is accumulating and building rapidly. There should be a pretty good thrust to the downside once the pressure is released. That's kind of what we're waiting for here. Release that gosh darn pressure so we can get to where we're going. Okay, here comes the impulse. Finally. Here we go, finally pushing down nicely after all of this minutia here. As we were going through this consolidation, the pressure was just increasing to the downside, which made it inevitable that there was going to be a thrust when that pressure was released. So we're pushing down and about halfway to target once again. Awesome. Target's filled. Had that thrust down and had just enough oomph to hit targets. And I'm going to call it a day here. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Oops, forgot to show the tally here. Got 3 nuggets out of the deal today. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.